Hello, and welcome to the CorView.Cloud how-to series. In this video, we will look at how to add a new user in CorView.Cloud. Before we begin, please note that you must have CorView administrative privileges to add new users. Contact your account administrator to obtain this privilege level. After logging into CorView, use the menu bar at the top of the page to navigate to the user list by selecting Setup and then Users. This page will show a list of all the users that currently exist within your company in CorView.Cloud. To add a new user, click the blue Add button in the top left-hand corner. Begin by filling in the user's first name, followed by last, and then their desired username. Then enter the user's full email address. Next, create a password for the new user. Note that the password must be between at least 8 and 15 characters in length, contain an uppercase letter, one number, one special character, and no more than 2 repeating characters. The contact details below the password box are optional. Select a time zone for the user if it is different than the company time zone. If it's the same, you can just leave these blank. Lastly, you need to assign privilege levels to the new user. Guest is the most basic privilege that will allow the user to log into CorView and view RMU readings. Adding the user privilege level will allow the individual to change their password. The admin option will make the new user a CorView administrator, allowing them to perform all of the administrative functions such as adding users, creating new sites, or changing ESNs assigned to sites. The LTE swap function is required if the user will be performing antenna upgrades. Selecting the Control User option will enable RMU control from CorView. This would include interruption commands or commanding the RMU to make measurements. The last option is site deletion. This permits the user to delete sites in CorView. Deleting sites is not reversible, and all historical data will be deleted with the site. So use this option carefully. At the bottom of the page, click the Save button to commit your changes. You should now see the new user in the user list. If you log out of CorView, you should now be able to log back in as the new user. If you would like the new user you just set up to configure their own password, simply log out of CorView, and from the main screen, click the link that says Forgot Password. You can then enter the new user's email into this box, and it will send them instructions on resetting their password. If you have any further questions, please refer to our website at www.mobiltex.com or call our support team toll-free at 1-844-689-3282.